couple of emails from teachers about adding student parents to Google Classroom. That actually can't be done, and I explained it earlier in the email. I just want to show you how to add parents to so they can get a guardian email. So right now you're looking at one of my dummy classrooms. This is a demo classroom I have set up, and you're looking at the stream right here. I'm going to go across the menu bar and I'm going to select people, and this takes me to where I see all my students. So when I look at this page, I can see that Kate's guardians have not been invited, but Jim's guardians have, and Lisa's guardians have, and Kyle's guardians have not. So to invite is pretty easy. You just click the link and you put in that parent's email address and click invite. Now, the one thing to know about this is you can tell if they've just been invited because it'll have the word invited next to it. These two have actually accepted it. The word invited is gone. When a parent gets signed up to receive email to the guardian about Google Classroom, when I sign Jim's parent up, Jim's parent is going to get an email that includes, explaining what assignments were assigned, when they were turned in, the date they were supposed to be turned in, if there's something missing, any upcoming assignments that may be posted. But they get it for every single Google Classroom that Jim is a member of. So he's in my Google Classroom 101, but he could be in an Algebra 3, Algebra 2 classroom. And the minute I sign him up, his parents get an email that includes that Google Classroom from Algebra 2. If he's also in a classroom for U.S. history, that will be included in there as well. So you only have to get a parent signed up one time, and they get the report for every single Google Classroom that the student is in. Also, the parent can make a choice between a daily email and a weekly email, but that happens when the parent opens up the invitation in their email. They're walked through a set of steps and they can make that decision then. Lastly, I wanted to show you that over here, if you click these three dots, you can email the student, you can email the guardians, you can invite guardians again if they haven't responded, or you can remove guardians. And that's basically how it works. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I hope this is helpful.